Nouns. We can categorize classified nouns into two. Classified into four types. But here we discussed about only two types, that is common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. Then common nouns means name of place, things, animals and places. But the name is common. That means general name. Use the general name. That is first one, boy. Boy is the general name for all boys. Then how can we specify the name, or how can we specify a boy only? Using a specified name. That means using his name. For example, Ramu. For example, many boys are standing in a queue. Then if we want to call one boy only, how can we call that specified boy? Using his name. Using that boy's name. That is proper noun. Common means general name, that is boy. All names are called with the same general name, that is boy. But from the generalization, if we want to call one specified boy, we use proper noun, that is the boy's name. Here we give example Ramu. Ramu is the boy's name. Second one, dog. Dog is the common name. For all dogs, we use the same name, that is dog. That is common. But the proper name means that dog's name. Specify name. Name of that dog. For example, here Pingy. Pingy is the name of that dog. So, the proper noun is Pingy. Common noun means general names. General name is common. Then proper means specify name. Common name means general name. Proper means specify name. Third section, parrot. For all the parrots, we call the same name, that is common name, parrot. Parrot is applicable for all parrots. But proper name or proper noun, we should select one name for that parrot. So, here the parrot's name is Kittu. Kittu is the name of parrot. So, here proper noun. Noun means the name of person, animal, things or place. Nouns can be categorized or classified into two groups, that is common nouns and proper nouns. Generally, we can say common names, that is boy, dog, parrot. But in the case of proper noun, we should give specified name for these sections. That is, here we gave name for boy, Ramu. That is proper name. Dog, Pinky. That is proper noun. Parrot, Kittu. In the same way, river, river, river. All rivers have the same name, that is same common name, that is river. Then, in the case of proper noun, yes, we want to give the name of that river. For example, Kaveri. Kaveri. So, first point, common means general names. General names. Proper noun means specify name. Specify name. Second point, in the case of common names, capitalize when they begin sentences, or we use capital letter only in the beginning of a sentence. In the beginning of a sentence. But in the case of proper noun, we capitalized, always capitalized, always capitalized. That means all these are names. All these are specified names. So, we should use capital letter, first letter capital letter for writing the names. Here, in the case of common nouns, capitalize when they begin sentences or starting letter of sentences. For example, the boy is sitting on a bench. The boy is sitting on a bench. In the case of writing that boy, no need to use B capital letter. But Ramu is sitting on a bench. Ramu is sitting on a bench. In the case of Ramu, R should be capital because it's a proper noun. It's a name. Okay. Second point is capitalize when they begin sentences. Capitalized when they begin sentences or sentence starting letter capital. Starting letter capital. Here proper nouns, in the case of proper nouns, always capitalize. Always capitalized. Always capitalized. Use first letter capital because it's a name. Next example, mountain. 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 Mountain is a common name for all mountains. But specified name, the name of mountain, Aravalli. Aravalli. So, here mountain, specified name, Aravalli. For example, if we want to talk about mountains, how can we say? Mountains are my favorite place. Mountains are my favorite place. Because mountain means not only one mountain. Not only one mountain. Mountain is a common name for all. So, we can say like this way. Mountains are my favorite places. Mountains are my favorite places. Here, in the case of Aravalli, we can write like this way. Aravalli is my favorite mountain. Aravalli is my favorite mountain. That is the difference. In the case of mountains, we can write like this way. Mountains are my favorite places. In the case of specified name or proper noun, Aravalli is my favorite mountain. Next, school. School is the common name. School is the common name. If we specify a name of school, P-E-S, one school name, P-E-S, school, P-E-S, school. So, common name is school, then P-E-S, that is school's name is P-E-S. So, P-E-S, school is proper noun. In the case of common noun, general. Common noun is general. Proper noun, specify the name of that common noun. Then, in the case of common noun, capitalized or using capital letter when they begin sentences or the starting letter of first word, that is sentence starting letter, capital letter. In the case of proper noun, use first letter capital always. It may be in the middle of the sentence, not only in first sentence, first letter. Wherever, if we see the proper noun in the middle of one sentence, we should use capital letter because all these are names. For example, the boy is sitting on a bench. Then I saw Rahul. In the park. I saw Rahul in the park. Here, the boy is sitting on a bench. In the case of this boy, no need to use B capital letter. This is noun, but this is a common noun. So, we don't want to use B capital letter. But here, I saw Rahul in the park. Rahul is also a noun, but it's a proper noun. That's why we are using capital letter here. Okay, common nouns. Nouns are categorized or classified into two groups. That is common noun and proper noun. Common noun, general. Proper noun, specify, name. Then we will study about next two categories of nouns in the next video. Thank you.